That's an Olympia model V80, 80-inch, 2-axis CNC VTL. Has a 12-tool automatic tool changer. Here's the tool holders with the clamping, special V and T slot clamping. Very, very rigid, heavy cutting machine. There's the jaws for the 4-jaw chuck, movable rail. Siemens main drive and Fanuc axis drives. This is a 1999 machine. Has a very high table weight because of the type of bearings it uses. There's the hydraulic system, the back of the large column. You can see the locks for the cross rail and where it locks in position. There's your serial number, made in 1999. There's your Siemens 100 horsepower drive and your gearbox. I'll walk around the other way here once. Hold on. Got the chip conveyor, nice curved guarding. Fanuc 18i-T control. Olympia is still in business and able to install it and get it running. There's your tool changer. Here's your chip conveyor. And here's your electrical cabinet. Siemens drives for the spindle. Fanuc drives for the axis, Renishaw, and a lot of loose wires. Thanks for viewing.